What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing the first ride and review of the Engwe T14. Before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Engwe T14. If Engwe isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So in this video, we're going to go over some speed tests and terrain tests. And also, guys, let me know what you guys think about the look of this bike in the comments down below. I like the fact that it's super small, super foldable, really easy to put inside the trunk of your car. And check out this quick little clip of me pulling it out of the car. Super easy, portable, great for camping, and also great for city living, I would say. The Engwe T14 retails for $4.99. Right down here, we have a 350 watt motor. They claim about 20 miles an hour with this. The T14 is equipped with E-Uni 14 by 2¼ tires. And right back here under the seat, we have a 48 volt, 10 amp hour battery. And the cool thing about this bike is we do have suspension on the rear, right here in the middle, and also we have the front fork suspension. And their saddle, it's pretty bulky and it's actually pretty soft. So far it's been comfortable, but we'll see after 20 miles of riding. And then back here, I don't know if that's for an extra passenger or what, but I've been sitting back there practicing wheelies. And right up here, let's check out the cockpit. We do have a full twist throttle and a display that really doesn't tell you anything. It just shows you some lights on there. And then we have a key that turns on the bike, and then if you click it one more time, it turns on the front headlight. The bike also comes with front and rear fenders, so you can ride around in the rain. Just don't get caught in a downpour. The bike weighs 62.7 pounds with a maximum load of 220 pounds. The T14 mini electric folding bike can accommodate riders between 5 foot and 6 foot tall. I'm 5'11". Overview's done, let's get to riding. All right, guys, now we're in the cockpit, and just so you guys know, to turn this bike on, you click it once, it's on. Click it twice, you got the front headlight on. Also, if your bike does come locked, what you're gonna wanna do is hold full throttle, hold the brake, click the key on, hold that for about 15 to 20 seconds, let go, turn the key off, turn it back on, and your bike should be unlocked. And right now, guys, I am in their pedal assist, their only pedal assist mode, so it only gets you to about like 5 to 6 miles an hour. Not super helpful. All right, guys, we're gonna track our top speed. We're gonna start off just full throttle. Let's see what happens. Takeoff isn't too crazy, but it is pretty torquey for how small it is. Oh, damn, we're kind of cruising, guys. Definitely unlocked. I know we are unlocked. This feels weird going fast on a little mini bike like this. I feel like a clown. Let's check our top speed on that little run. 16.5 miles an hour. That was my leg hitting that notification bell. Just so you guys know, I am 150 pounds. Let's see how much we got until we got. Well, I really want to go down these. That'd probably be a bad idea. All right, we're gonna hit up some terrain testing with these shocks and see how they feel. Oh my God. Oh, they're so freaking stiff. That hurts my biscuits. Oh, this is kind of like a steep drop. Oh God. I'm glad I lowered my bars a little bit. They're a little too extended. Dude. I'm surprised it got me up that hill. It did start bogging down. Let's actually see how steep we can go. Oh yeah, let's not forget we do have mechanical disc brakes, not hydraulic disc brakes on these bad boys. All right, there's no way, there's no way. Oh, nope. Come on, let's get that speed. Nope. Yeah, we got there. All right. Should I see if this thing wheelies? We do have the rear brake on the left on this thing. Guys, don't forget, once you guys get your bikes together, if you haven't ridden them in a while, always check your nuts. Damn, that's a nice car. Oh. Brake check. Oh, actually, not bad, not bad. The front brakes almost like felt like I was gonna flip forward. All right, I wanna see if I can wheelie this thing sitting on the back end. Whoa! The balance is kind of weird, guys. I forgot the display still had its little cover on it. What the hell? Did they burn this on there? There you go. Looking fresh now. All right, well, definitely it's not a shreddy video unless we are riding through the grass and not hitting any gopher holes. I don't think we're gonna get over this hill. Oh, let's go. Was that security? Don't look at me. Don't look at me, security. All right, we're gonna take this thing off-roading in the woods. Whoa, oh, big tree stumps. Oh, 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 hell yeah. It is really hard to see. Oh, C-post just went down a little bit. I don't think it's super tight right now. What the hell? Guys, I never knew that we had trails back here. See if I can get around without putting my feet down. Come on, you can do it. Yo, I cannot believe I'm getting through some of this stuff. I still haven't put my feet down, guys. I think I'm getting lost. Oh, I just put my feet down, that was it. Oh, that was a big stump. Heck yeah, check it out. We hit a top speed of 18.3 miles an hour on this road. It is way less wind here and a little bit of downhill, but heck yeah, we got a little bit faster here. All right, guys, I'm definitely scared of the curb drop on this, so I'm gonna go on a lower part because I'm literally scared of this thing just pulling out and me getting impaled. All right, we're gonna try this thing in the sand. And let me tell you, pedaling is not fun on this bike. It hurts your knees. And I wouldn't expect it really to go through sand too much, but it looks like we are. Full throttling through the sand. This is awesome. Let's do a little bit more off-road. I'm having way too much fun taking this thing off-road though. Even though this thing is straight up strictly street. Straight up strictly street. Let's go. Whoa. Oh my God, that's a hawk above my head, bro. Don't attack me, hawk, please. Oh, dude, what a good test for off-roading. Dude, this place is crazy. Where are we? We are in freaking Nat Geo. Look at this. Wow. Oh, no, 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 that's all mud. Oh my God, there's a freaking crab. Look at that. He's so cool. He's got like blues on him. That's awesome. A fiddler crab. Oh no. Oh, you good, you good. So they actually burrow in little holes and stuff in the ground there in the mud. It's awesome. All right, I lowered the bars a little bit so you guys can see what's going on. We're still off-roading on this little mini thing. Dude, I want to upgrade this to like 500 watts instead of the 350. Get a little more power. Guys, comment down below if you ever seen one of these little mini bikes upgraded to a 72 volt or 52 volt. Whoa. It is so badass back here. Look at me exploring with a mini bike. Not that I'd want to go in this house, but it's a whole house made of concrete. I wonder how old this place is. There's like an old street lamp here and stuff. Wow, deer stands all around. Let me get out of here before I get shot. Dude. Okay, I'm definitely surprised with this bike. What the hell? I wonder how much of a beating this thing can take. Yo, I'm having way too much fun on this thing, guys. Way too much freaking fun out here. This is hard driving with one hand, by the way, on this thing. Check out that suspension hopping around. Just checking out the fishing spot. Oh my God, the muddiest fishing spot. Whoa, no, no way you can actually go down this. Bro, guys, suspension is definitely working out. Whoa, I bet you there's arrowheads and all kinds of stuff in these. That's so cool. Wow, guys, this is pretty freaking cool. I've never done this before. I can't believe this little mini bike is taking me. Oh my God, look at that. I'm getting off of here before all this falls down. I'm scared. Look at that, guys. Look, it's cracking all the way down. I love living here, guys. This is Lewis Beach, Delaware. If you guys ever come around this area, give me a shout. I'd love to take you out on some fun rides and check out your e-bike. Because seriously, guys, nothing beats this. E-biking takes me here. All right, we're pedaling with a little pedal assist. Hell no, we're not pedaling. No. The one thing I think all e-bikes should come with stock would be a side view mirror. Just on one side, just on the left. That's all we need, guys. All right. Oh, look at that. When we're hitting full throttle, we are down 1 bar, but right now it's showing all bars. We've done 3.4 miles on today's review so far. The one thing I give this bike is it's pretty darn quiet. You can barely hear it. Okay, guys, so I think an e-bike like this might be more for like short distance riding. I wouldn't say if you're gonna go long distance, this would be the one for you unless you have time. If you want to get around quick, you might want to get something a little bit faster. But I have seen people upgrade like mini bikes, not this bike in particular, but I've seen people upgrade them to like 52 and 72 volt, but I'm not saying that's safe at all. All right, one more little grassy testy. Oh, whoa, Shreddie almost ate it. Oh my God. All right, guys, now a quick word from our sponsors. So now a word from AliExpress. So check out this cool book bag they sent me. It's nice and small and compact, but it's actually pretty big once you get inside and start opening all the compartments. So check this out. We have one zipper here and a bunch of little compartment slots in there. Little front zipper here for your glasses or cell phone. Then you have this huge compartment back here. I'd like to put my drone in there. And also back here has a nice little compartment you can put a bunch of stuff in, maybe a laptop. This book bag also comes in army green and black like this. The AliExpress sale is live now. Use my discount code in the description box below. You can save $5 off every $30 spent. Better choices, better prices, AliExpress. All right, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Let me know what you guys thought about the Engwe T14 in the comments down below. I had a blast on this little thing. The fact that it's super portable, easy to fold up and bring along in any size vehicle you have, I think that's pretty awesome. Great for camping, great for the city. So if you guys want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Engwe T14. If Engwe isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next ride.